To set quick access as the default homepage on the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting, tap Homepage, and then select Quick Access. To see the result, tap the package twice. Tap the tabs icon at the bottom right, and then tap New tab. You can see that now Samsung Internet app will always open the quick access as the default homepage each time you open a new tab. With the quick access, you can easily access your favorite website with more easily. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.